everyone, it's Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So today I have a new first impressions for you. I'm going to be looking at the SheModern foil coloring nail arts. I was sent these for review by Tina from SheModern, so I'm going to test these out and show you how to use them. So first off, I'm going to show you what you get in the little package. So you get to pick your own color like you did with the past foil stickers, and I picked gray or kind of like a chromy silver kind of look, and I picked butterflies. And then in the package you get a black piece of canvas to like put your glitters and stuff like that, and then you also get a bunch of like plastic and different papers that you can use for different things. And she also gave me another ladybug design here to try out, and then you have your creative flexible reusable stencil here, and it's very pretty by the way, and I think it comes with more of the black paper, and it also has a little plastic sheet so you can always use your stickers I think later on by putting them on here. And then yeah, so that is what's in the package. So these are called the foil coloring nail arts, and they're a little different like stickers, so I'm actually going to show you how you can use these on your nails. So right now on my nails I do have gel nails, but I kind of mixed it up. So I used my Sensational Polish to Gel polish mixed up with the Sally Hansen Insta-Dry, and this is Show Stealer. You've probably seen this a lot. It's one of my favorite grays. And then I used my two Madame Glam polishes, so I used the base coat and the top coat. So that is what is on my nails right now. So I will be doing a gel manicure, but I think you can probably use these stickers with regular polish as well. So we're going to go ahead and get into the demo. Alright, so first what you're going to do is you're going to cut out the butterflies you want to use. So I think I'm probably going to be only using the smaller ones because I have kind of short nails right now, so I'm just going to cut the bottom strip. There are your butterflies, so I'm just going to cut all of them. And if you have tweezers to hold on to this, it would be much easier. If not, you can just use your fingers. So I'm just going to cut all of these and I'll be back. Alright, so now you're going to get out your clear stamper, and I have this one here, and you're going to actually put on the butterflies to your clear stamper. So I'm just going to apply all of them, and you're putting the shiny side in. So just placing them on there, and I'm just going to place them all on my stamper. So I end up doing one of the bigger ones as well, as you can see. So I'm going to do that one. And then I have them all here on the stamper. Hopefully you can see them. Probably easier that way. Alright, so now you need your no wipe top coat. So I'm using Madame Glam's. And I watched a video on how to do this, how Tina instructs you to do it. So what you have to do is you're going to take your no wipe top coat and you're going to dab it on all of the butterflies. Just a little bit, I guess, in the middle, and then we're going to spread it around. Oops. And then you're going to take, you can either take like a dotting tool, or I'm just going to take my silicone brush here. So yeah, you can take the like a dotting tool or that, so I guess I'll just use the dotting tool. Make sure all of your tools are clean, and then you're just going to kind of spread the gel polish around to get all of the edges. Alright, so once you put your gel top coat, just cure them in your LED lamp. Alright, so once they have cured, now you're going to get your foil glue out, and then you're just going to apply it to each of the butterflies. So I'm just going to put a little bit in the middle of each of them. If your glue dries really fast, maybe just do one at a time or less at a time. Mine doesn't really dry that fast. So now I'm just going to spread it around a little bit just into the butterfly. I'll wait for that to become completely clear. while we're waiting, we're just gonna get that clear plastic sheet that came in the package, and we're gonna put out the different glitters. So I'm gonna be using blue teal hollow, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of that on the canvas here. And then I'm gonna be using purple lilac. And then I'm also gonna use purple and blue sky. So this is a mixture one. And just have them kind of out for you to go with your glitter and glue. Alright, so most of them are dry, so I'm gonna use the ones that are dry. So again, I'm actually gonna use my finger for this one. So make sure you have your lint roller handy to get off the glitter. So I'm just gonna tap into it. And then I'm just gonna tap the butterfly and just kind of tap and then press in the glitter. And then just kind of rub away any glitter and just keep tapping to make sure you have it covered. And alright, so we're gonna peel it up. There we go. So that's why it's good to do a good clear coat around it so that you can peel off the butterfly. But there you go, look at it. It looks so pretty. Now I'm gonna go ahead and peel off all of the other ones, and then we're gonna go ahead and apply them. Alright, so once you've got them all off of the films with the glitter, just try to be very careful and like peel them off. Like I said, it's best if you put enough polish around, or like the no white polish around the butterfly so that it's easier to peel off. I found that was a little bit difficult at times, but now we're ready to apply the butterflies. So I'm just going to pick them up with my tweezer, and I already put one on my nail because I was trying to make sure I knew what I was doing. I think I'm going to put those two together. And once you kind of have it in place, you just kind of press it onto your nail. I think I'm going to put it on my pinky. So I like to curve them kind of a little bit so then you can put it more onto your nail easier. And I'm just going to push it on and then press onto your nail and make sure it is completely smooth. That is the finished look. I end up putting a bigger butterfly on my thumb. I used the blue glitter on like the very edges and then the turquoise glitter in the center. So I actually think they turned out really cute. I really like them. I think they're really pretty. They are a little bit of a learning experience because I found trying to peel them off of the foil is like a little bit harder, but once you get the hang of it, and like I said, make sure that you use a good enough edge around the butterfly, but not too thick of an edge because then it will actually show up in the design on your nail. So you kind of have to find that medium, but I really like them and I would definitely recommend them if you're into gel polish. I'm not sure if these would work 100% well with like regular polish. I'd have to test them out to see, but I think they're really cute and I think they're a great design. So I want to thank Tina for sending these to me. As always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.